I had a whole lot of ideas I like to throw together and call it a boat. This is the model, roughly speaking. That's about the plan I went from. You see there, high density polyethylene plastic. Here we have the real thing. It's just sitting on this trailer temporary, so if it didn't fit, doesn't look good, it's because it's not really permanent. There's a few fittings that are out of place here and only juried up for the outing, and later on they'll be finished to it. Cubby hole down here for the bow rope, square bow along the front as you can see, walk on boat, forward locker for putting stuff in. These here windscreens come up to keep the hail and sand and small stones and things out of your eyes. Here's the cockpit. Plastic go lever. Those things here are plastic paddles for tilt. Most of the reverse lever there's plastic. Steering wheel plastic. Seats plastic. Lockers plastic. Engine cover plastic. There's a Kawasaki 1200 4-stroke. Down inside there is a plastic intake. The silver things you can see down there are the two exhaust mufflers. These things are two filters, water filters or sand traps, more than filters. These things two here are venturis to vent the bilge at the jet unit. Fuel there, of course, you can see the tap. This is not finished. Around the side here you can see some of these welds have pulled a bit, so I've learned how to weld along the way. Back of the boat, Portofino stern. Not terribly common in jet boats in New Zealand. These things here hold fuel tanks. At the moment they've got 80 litres of fuel in there, probably capable of storing about 100 litres. This thing here down inside here is the fuel pump and the hoses and the fuel gauge, etc, etc. And there, fuel filler. You want to see many of these? Plastic reverse bucket. Plastic nozzle insert. There's our tilt. You can see that very well. Up, down, sideways. There it goes. There's sideways. Haven't got very much movement at the moment. Still working on that one. And you can see here when you hit reverse, you know, your water's hitting on there, helping to lift the back of the boat up instead of dragging it down in the water, and hope for you to keep your bum up. These screws you can see sticking out back, they're not permanent article. I'm just set that bonnet on there just to try out. These are heli lift for lifting into or out of the helifoot. Seats fold up, fold down, lift up, lift down, whatever you want. A storage locker down there, etc, etc. Another one down here. All the cables go in through the bottom of the boat. Steering cables, tilt, all go down underneath the engine there. That's about what you can see before. Reverse lever. Down underneath there's a tilt, all down, all up, whatever you might be. Don't know if it's going to work. We'll find out. Let you know. Plastic. Sides of this boat are 6mm, bottom of the boat's 12mm. We've also got a HD, we've also got a strip of UH on the bottom, 600 by whatever length it is. It's not screwed on there either. And that's about it. Just waiting for the co-pilot to turn up chuck her in the water and just see what goes wrong. Big handle on the front to lift with. I've got 2 more to put on the back, haven't done that yet, but we're getting there. Mount on the front there for me little video camera, and hopefully before too long we might get some action shots of this thing carousing the Motueka River, which is where my hometown is, where this was built. Did a big bilge, electric bilge pump there as well, and you've pretty much seen the boat. Plastic. Watch this space.